Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Nvidia as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 26.48% since we initially classified Nvidia as a buy candidate 38 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.70% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust rising trend in the short term, with indications of further upward movement. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 58.65% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 51.47% and 62.11%. Examining the longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts an expected change of about 11.76%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 35.06% to positive 12.92% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price between $111.29 and $193.51. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline: Nvidia stock price down approximately 0.597% on Monday. The Nvidia stock price decreased by approximately 0.597% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. The price fell from $172.41 to $171.38. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.27%, ranging from a low of $171.21 to a high of $173.38. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 8.3% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, trading volume decreased on the last day, along with the stock price, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 27 million shares, with a total of 119 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $20.34 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $174.24, while the lowest was $86.62. Currently, the price stands 1.64%, or $2.86, below the 52-week high, and 23.14%, or $51.60, lower than the all-time high of $222.98, reached on the 15th of January, 2018. Nvidia continues to demonstrate strong earnings growth, positioning itself among a select group of stocks, showcasing impressive earnings per share expansion and rising earnings estimates. This positive trajectory could bolster investor confidence in the short term, potentially driving up the stock price as more analysts project future growth stemming from Nvidia's dominant position in the artificial intelligence sector. Despite this, Nvidia faces challenges in the Chinese market, where regulatory obstacles and competitive pressures are emerging. The company recently encountered headwinds, indicating potential volatility that may affect short-term stock performance. Conversely, investor sentiment may be buoyed by the news that Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, is gaining celebrity-like status in China, enhancing the company's brand presence, which could support future sales. Moreover, Nvidia's partnership with Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company is pivotal, as TSMC's significant revenue growth and focus on advanced manufacturing processes ensure a reliable graphics processing unit supply to meet increasing demand from the artificial intelligence industry. This relationship is instrumental for Nvidia's long-term strategy and is likely to fuel sustained stock growth. As Nvidia maintains an impressive 92% market share in the global artificial intelligence chip sector and demonstrates robust performance metrics, it remains a central player in technology, showcasing potential for both short-term volatility due to regulatory challenges and long-term growth driven by its dominant market position. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned NVDA an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs gave NVDA a buy grade with a downgrade action. Additionally, on that day, Citigroup also rated NVDA with a buy grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, Loop Capital Markets provided NVDA with a buy grade along with a hold action. Earlier on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, Wedbush rated NVDA as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $169.69 and $152.91. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, several negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 17, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 0.94%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 55 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 61 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $139.19 and $135.13. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $139.19. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $135.13 and $129.93. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.17 between high and low, or 1.27%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is projected to be released on the 27th of August, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $1. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $172.41. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $139.19. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were executed by Huang Jianxun, who bought and sold 95,463 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider cover is negative, with a ratio of negative 98.826 in total. Insiders acquired 5,397 shares while selling 1,622,533 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $164.74, which reflects a decline of 3.88%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that this current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a significant chance for Nvidia stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, we anticipate that Nvidia will open higher by approximately 61 cents, starting at $171.99. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.